I just started the recording, bro, so we better either get smacked quick or start smacking butt cheeks. Yep. They're dead. Oh, there's another team. I'm scared, D.
Good, we're inside.
Where are they? Fuck. Yeah. Oh, he has a mastiff. That's scary. Dude, I have one bullet. I'm fucked. Dustin, you gotta kill this lifeline. He has a mastiff. I'm scared. Alright, I have one bullet. Remember that. Let me get light if there's in there. Oh. Yeah, let me get that bolt. I'm pushing this guy. Oh, it was not loaded! Oh, that guy just got killed for sure, dude. Wow. Let's do it. Oh, more light right here. Got one. Where's the other one? Oh, he's up there! He's in a cat. He's weak, he's weak. Yeah. I'm gonna go down here. Oh yeah, I need that for sure. Oh, alright. These fucking guys don't even know what's going on. Shredded. Bang has gold. I'm here.
Reloading. Killed an enemy. Reloading.
I'm here. I'm on him. I love seeing that. Thank you, sir. You're a good man.
Punching a tunnel.
Damn it. My bad, bro. I really didn't mean to do that. Maybe one end has to be in the ring. I think that's what it probably is. I've got all my health back with one syringe. That's insane. Hit a ping and see if there's someone here. Oh yeah. There's a crypto drone over there. There's somebody here. I'm going around this side. Alright, that's a bet. I don't see him in here. Not in here. Right here in the corner, healing. He's one. Got one.
Reloading. Another enemy down.
Self-res? Did.
Reloading.
Get down, get down, get down.
This won't hurt. Hold on.
I gotta go back.
Charging
That
my
crypto
shield.
got played, baby. Yo, I'm heading around this way,
Might be
D.
something good this way.
Is this an in-game? I don't think. Oh yeah, that is an in-game.
Attention, delivering replicator.
And they're over here.
Let's go this way.
All right, go for it, bro. Yeah. I'll come over there and grab it.
Setting a portal.
That way you can port back here with me.
Portal's ready.
Yeah.
Reloading.
I got aimbot.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh yeah, I see him. He's coming around on you. He's right here. That's where that Wraith just went into. Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Let's go this way.
I'm pushing in the building. I'm pushing in the building. If there's a Wraith in here, there might be a Wraith in here. We gotta kill that bitch. Quick. Wraith in bathroom, Wraith in bathroom.
Squad's down.
They're coming. They're outside the window over here. Bangalore's broke.
Reloading. Charging
Recharging.
my shield.
Alright. Hey, behind us, behind us, behind us. Oh my god, I got shredded, D. Holy fuck. Alright, I'm going in the bathroom.
Listen, let's move here.
Oh my god, dude. I cannot believe that. I think you can get me. Dude, you got a gold bag? Oh my god, this is gonna be close. I'm good. Good shit, D, good shit, D. I'm here, I'm here. From where? Yeah, self-res. Oh, the...
Yes. Made it.
Nice, dude. GG's, man. GG's, brother.
You are the Apex champions.
Nice. I told you could play another one. What if we wouldn't have played it, bro? Let's go. 25. Oh, man. GG's.